Trent Klarenbach here with Klarenbach Research. It is Friday, May the 10th, and we are reporting just ahead of today's WASDE report. The Klarenbach grain report of a day ago, we discussed the importance of being aware when these news events are about to occur and that there is no edge to holding positions over these events. What we mean by that is these events, there's a 50% chance the price could go up and a 50% chance the price could go down, meaning we don't have a strong enough edge in our position to maintain a position over the news events. So one rule of thumb is do not hold positions, do not keep open positions over news events. So we have a few more hours to do that, to exit your positions if you're so inclined, but we want to highlight the importance of knowing when these news events are and the risks attached to them. We're going to look at the nearby corn futures contract chart right now, and we can see how corn has been testing the purple 200-day moving average. Now we expect some consolidation here, probably between the green 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average over top, allowing the 50-day moving average to catch up to the 200 before we see the price moving higher. If we switch over to Chicago wheat, we can see this chart here is a little busier with the Fibonacci levels, but we feel that they are important. So we take a look at this week's candle is testing the 0.5% Fibonacci retracement level, which corresponds with the previous resistance back in December. The blue line represents the volume weighted average price since October 3rd of 2022. That is the average price paid per contract since that period of time. So the long positions of Chicago wheat have been losing money up until recently. They're getting back to breaking even. They're getting out of their losing positions, and we expect this level to act as resistance for the coming days, maybe perhaps the coming weeks before it has a chance to move higher. We switch over to Minneapolis spring wheat here, and we can see the similar situation happening here. The 200-day moving average in purple is acting as resistance. Now, we anticipate some further consolidation before that can happen, and perhaps we see a push up to the 750 level. Soybeans. Well, soybeans are not very attractive to look at either. We see how the price has been forming a head and shoulders pattern, and we have a measured move target down to 1044. Will it get there? We don't know. The market does not care what I think is going to happen. However, we are finding resistance. We saw a nasty candle on this week being formed, and we do think that our measured move target of 1044 will be reached. Slipping over to canola. We love canola in Canada, and we find that we are trading at that 651, 650 level. We are finding support there. We'll know more what happens after the report today and in the coming days, but canola is finding support from the previous resistance. Previous resistance often acts as support, and we feel that it's happening here today. Anyways, we talk about these crops and others in the Klarenbach grain report and the Klarenbach special crops report. You can come check us out at klarenbach.ca. Have a great day.